Hello everyone. In the last video, we have discussed how we are going to iterate the list of employees using the traditional way and using the Java 8. Okay, so let's try something different here. Okay, this is for uh, iterate employee details. Okay, now I have a scenario. I need to filter only the employee name called John. How are you going to do that? Okay, so here we are going to use the stream API, stream which contains the additional operations kind of filter. Okay, the filter will help us to find out a specific criteria of search. Okay, or some condition. Okay, let's try that. So list of employees dot I'm going to use a stream here because for each it's used to travel through the loop. Okay, I'm not going to travel it now, so I'm going to use the stream API to find out some specific DTOs or specific employee. Use stream and dot, you need to make sure you are going to use the filter. Okay, and here you need to specify your conditions. Let's first, before proceeding to the condition, let's hold the data in our reference E and the lambda expression because now E holds the employee. Okay, so here we need to check the condition E dot first name dot equals in case of John, the name is John. Okay, so I need only that in employee information. Okay, dot find any. If you find any in this particular criteria, return that employee. Okay, in case or else return null. That's it. So this will return a person. Sorry, employee. Okay, employee John. Okay, let's print the John and we'll see whether it is returning the proper data. And let me print John. Okay, okay, so employee list of employees, I'm going to use a stream. I used a stream and stream dot filter, and filter will help us to provide some conditions and filter the data based on that. If find any, it will return the employee, or else it will return the null. Okay, looks good. Okay, let's run this. Run as Java application. Okay, so what is happening? I can see all the employee. Okay, the problem is let me comment out this one. Okay, now run this. Now if you see the console, see we have only one employee information here which holds the John and his information. Okay, so this is a simple way to find out the specific employee. Okay, let's take another example. I want the employee list who staying in London. If you see our hardcore data, I have two persons where they stayed in London, so I want those information. How are we going to do that? Okay, again we are going to use the same list with the help of stream and filter. We are going to filter the data. Okay, so the list is amp list, sorry, list employees dot stream dot filter, and here is our conditions like how we did for retrieving a simple employee. Same way we are going to implement it. Okay, so let's hold the information in a reference E and the lambda expression. I'm going to put the condition here employee dot address dot city dot equals. So I want the list of employees where people are staying in London. Okay, done. Now, because my previous case I just used find any, but here I don't want as a single object. I need to return as a list. Okay, so I'm going to collect the information using the collect method, and inside the collect method you need to use the collectors, which will converting your response as a collection type. So collector, so you need to use collectors, which is comes under stream API dot to list. So now what will happen is it will return the list of employees, which is the people who are staying in London. Okay, so this will return the list again. So list, okay, list of London employees. Okay, so I'm going to comment out this one, so it will be easy for us to see the outcome. Okay, so I'm going to print the London employees, Cisco, and London employees. So let's go ahead and run the file or expand it. See, now I have employee title John, Dennis, and address Whitehall Street, London, and there is another employee called David, and he's also stayed in London. Okay, so this is the other way to iterate the list with the help of the stream API and collector and collect is a method which can hold the collectors is basically it's nothing but this collector. This is basically trying to do all the operations, converting something into a something. Like I have a list, I want to convert as a map, so that time we need to use the collect API. Okay, inside the collector we need to specify which kind of API you want to, I mean which kind of collection, map or list or linked list or hash map, something like that you need to provide it here. Okay, so in the next video we are going to discuss about how we are going to convert this particular list as a map. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please do give it a try, and let me know if you need any clarifications, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.